In previous video, we'll discuss about that introduction about time, speed and distance and uniform speed concept. Now we'll discuss about that average speed and relative speed concept. What is the definition for average speed? As the rate of change in distance with respect to time. So if a car traveling at an average speed of 25 km per hour means that car can cover an average 25 kilometers in every 1 hour. What is the basic formula for average speed? Total distance divided by total time. For example, if you want to calculate average of your 8 semester marks, what we will do? Total number of marks divided by total number of semesters. So here basic formula for speed is distance by time. Similarly, average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. Take one small example. If a boy moves from home to school at x km per hour and school to home at y km per hour, then find the average speed. So here we don't know the distance between home and school. We'll assume the distance is d, and basic formula for average speed is total distance divided by total time. So a boy is traveling from home to school and as well as returning from school to home. So the total distance is 2d, and we don't know the time value, how much time he is taking from home to school and school to home. We'll assume that one time is t1 and return time is t2. So total distance 2d divided by time formula is distance by speed. So t1 can be written as d1 by s1 and t2 can be written as d2 by s2. So 2d by first distance d divided by speed is x km per hour plus d by second speed is y km per hour. So by taking LCM and simplifying, you will get the average speed equal to 2xy by x plus y. So if the distance is same, then we can use this is a formula for average speed, 2xy by x plus y. And this is a derivation how the average speed formula was derived. Only for distance is same. Now we'll try to solve one problem on example problem on average speed. A train covered first 120 km at speed of 20 km per hour and then cover the remaining 180 km at speed of 45 km per hour. Now we have to calculate the average speed. So here distances are different, then we can't apply the formula what we derived previously. Now average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. So the total distance is 300, 120 km and 180 km. So total distance is 300 by, we don't know the time value. So time t1 can be written as d1 by s1 and t2 can be written as d2 by s2. 300 by first distance 120 kilometers divided by speed is 20 km per hour. Next second distance 180 and second speed is 45 km per hour. So 300 by 10, that equal to 30 km per hour. So average speed is 30 km per hour. So already explained that one. If distance is same, average speed formula is 2xy by x plus y. And similarly, if time is same, average speed is x plus y by 2. So here time is the constant. Okay. So don't depend upon formulas. Just remember the basic concept. Average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. By using that formula, we have to solve the problems. Next, move on to relative speed concept. So relative speed can be defined as speed of moving object with respect to other object. So if two objects are moving in same direction, relative speed can be calculated as difference between the two speeds. If two objects are moving in opposite direction, relative speed can be calculated as adding the two speed values. Now observe this image to understand the concept of relative speed. So here two objects are moving in same direction. One's object speed is v1, another one is v2. So in same direction means relative speed is v1 minus v2. If two objects are moving in opposite direction with speeds of v1 and v2, then relative speed is v1 plus v2. So same direction, if two objects are moving in same direction, relative speed is difference v1 minus v2. If two objects are moving in opposite direction, relative speed is v1 plus v2. Now we will solve one example problem to understand the concept of relative speed. Two boys start from same place walking at rate of 5 km per hour and 5.5 km per hour respectively in same direction. What time will they take to be 8.5 km apart? So here two boys are moving in same direction with speed of 5 km per hour and 5.5 km per hour. Two objects are moving in same direction means relative speed is the difference between two speeds. So here we have to calculate how much time it will take to cover 8.5 kilometers. How much time it will take 8.5 kilometer apart. Now we have to calculate the value. Time equal to distance by speed, and distance in the given problem is 8.5. Speed is relative speed is 5.5 minus 5, because in same direction means we have to take the difference between two speeds. So 8.5 divided by 0.5, by simplifying that one you will get that 17 hours time. Okay, so next class we will see the concept of races and circular track problems. Okay, thank you.